In this video, I'll go over the steps involved with replacing the glove box catch and restoring its function. Use a trim removal tool and pull the trim strip off the front of the glove box as shown here. If your glove box is stuck closed, you'll need to insert a small drift or screwdriver in the center hole below the trim strip. Position the tool at around 45 degrees and feel for the catch release arm. Once you press it, it will actuate the catch and release the glove box door. With the glove box door open, remove the 5 T20 Torx screws shown here and indicated by the green arrows. Working underneath the dash, remove the T20 Torx screw, green arrow, holding the lower glove box cover to the car. Lower the panel down. Underneath the panel, you'll find 2 T20 Torx screws, green arrows, holding the glove box in. Once removed, carefully pull the glove box assembly down and out of the dash. Note the connection way back up inside the dashboard and indicated by the green arrow. This is the connection for the air hose that attaches to the glove box. Don't forget to reattach this once the glove box is reinstalled. Press the tabs in and remove the electrical connection going to the switch on the left-hand side of the glove box, green arrow. Now remove the electrical connection to the glove box light on the right-hand side of the glove box and indicated by the green arrow. Here is what's left of the glove box catch on our project vehicle. As you can see, the plastic catch was nearly destroyed. Remove the ball end of the cable, green arrow, from the catch and squeeze the clip holding the cable housing in the catch, yellow arrow. You need to take the cover off the new catch and reinstall the cable on the new catch. Now remove the 2 T20 screws holding the catch to the glove box assembly, green arrows. You can see where someone had tried to pry the door open on the right side of the catch. Now fit the new catch to the glove box assembly and reconnect the cable. Test the operation of the release and you're all done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.